So today we're going to talk about Agent Chat. Agent Chat is a UI prebuilt from LangGraph and LangChain to help you to deploy your agentic application or your AI agent with UI very easily. So the what we're going to do here is that we have a LangSmith and LangGraph's deployment ready. So we're going to our LangSmith underneath that LangGraph platform, and going to our application deployment we introduced in the earlier session, and we copy and paste the app API URL over here, copy and paste it. And what it does now, we have a default assistant graph ID, and we have API key ready for the LangSmith API key, so you can create API key over the setting page. Okay, once it's ready, we'll continue. And we can say hello, and we'll start requesting, interacting with our agent. So you can see here there's a request again. So there are two requests already. So you can see, okay, what is the weather today in Taipei? It will obviously use oh, so there's some problem with the API key, so we need to or you can see so there's a problem with the search query, so we need to set the API key for the tool or the tools you can use. Travel search. So, okay, so we can also hide tool codes, but also you can see here's actually a very simple method that you can interact with the AI API over here. So we can have like have a new revision to add a travel API key. Here. Let's see if we could find the travel API key. Okay, here we go. And add it to the secret, and we'll deploy it again. And we're exposing the API key to the cloud, and so it's waiting to build. It take a while, and you can see here it is very clear that's waiting to build. Once it's ready, then we can search internet to utilize this tool, so we can search the weather today and other news available on the internet. Let's see. It's building, running the build. It's building now. It might take a while, and after that we can just start deploying with our usage. And so also you can also use this application from using the URL agentchat.vercel.app. We also could use it locally. For example, React agent. Go to the React agent source. React agent, and we can use LangGraph dev to initiate the local server. Cool. So we can see API over here, and we can copy and paste the deployment URL for local one, so which is the local host and web 2024, and grab ID and continue, and we can start using it. So we can also add, like, for example, the travel API key is ready. So what is the weather today in Taipei? And we'll run the tool codes and return the result for us. So it's running query, and yeah. So today, March 29th, 2025, the weather Taipei is expected to be cloudy. Yes, pretty cloudy today. Temperature about 16 degrees Celsius, and light rain, and it's north wind. Yeah, So exactly, if you can also use local dev server to run this agent chat as well. So you can also hide the tool code, so it will be a lot clearer for you to just have the user interface with the UI. Okay, so it's still building. Let's see. Exploring image. And once it's ready, we can just start using it on the deployment setting. And that's pretty much it. And you can see, you can deploy your own agent chat UI via fuel cell or other platform. You can download it from GitHub, which you can search agent chat LangGraph. Then you can go into the GitHub repository. We will link the link below in the video below, so you can deploy your own. We'll modify your UI as you wish, and that's pretty much how you can set up your own agent chat UI. Thank you.